Hello everyone, this is a simple, quick and easy way to install Python into your computer, and it's going to be extremely fast and extremely easy to do. So first open up your web browser. In my case it's going to be Google Chrome, and simply just type in Python. Alright, click on the first link, which is welcome to python.org. Then go to downloads, hover over it, and then as you can see it says download for Windows, and click on this Python 3.9.1 button. It'll begin the download. Meanwhile, you can just wait for it to download, or alternatively, you can go to the Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store. Yeah, that's the one. And once you're in there, just type in Python and select Python 3.9. Wait for it to load. And click on Get. For me, it's already installed, so I don't need to. So I can just exit out of there. Meanwhile, once this download is completed, click on that. Click Run, or it might ask you for administrator permissions. In my case, I've already installed 3.9.1. However, you can continue to install and make sure to add it into your path, and make sure to not change the directory, because that might eventually affect you in the long term when you're trying to modify or delete files. But once you're done with that, you're pretty much done with installing Python. Close out of Chrome and just type in IDLE, and you can immediately start programming with Python. Let me just wait, and here you go. You can start off with a quick print statement. Hello, YouTube, and we are done. That's it. See ya.